City soaps and candles. I love them. And look how cute the box looks. She actually put some shimmery little stickers there. And she thanks me. And always the outside of the box has a bunch of stickers. All right, so let's take a peek inside. Here's the card. Another cute little shiny shimmery sticker. Let's take a look inside. So I've removed all of the packaging, and there were a bunch of decorations in there, and there was also, this is what the card looked like. Super shimmery, much like her stuff. And on the inside, it's just thanking me for placing an order. Thank you so much for sending me stuff. So the first thing that I have in here is a new product first. This is the Rose Jam. When I saw that she had Rose Jam, I went ahead and ordered 3 of these because it's freaking Rose Jam. You love Rose Jam. Look at that. It's so pretty. So I got 3 of those. There were shower steamers because my husband and my daughter love shower steamers when they're feeling congested. And I'm basically a bath girl, but so I got this for them. Put a couple in each stocking. Then, wait a minute. Oh, let me look at the invoice real quick. Oh my gosh, she sent these to me free of charge. Thank you. They are fabulous. I was gonna say, wait a minute, I already ordered the Rose Jam, but I only ordered the cups. But look, gorgeous. Thank you so much. What's this? Apples, warm, what is that? I'm sorry, apples, vanilla, and musk, I think. I definitely did not order this. Thank you so much. Must be another scent of hers. Oh, look, it's got colors in there. Oh, I cannot wait to chop into that. And I guess it's going to be these colors here. Wait a minute. So I ordered one of these in Narcissist because it's a brand new product and I love Narcissist. And I just wanted to try it. It's called Harmony. But look what I see here. An extra. Orchid Amber. Thank you so much. And this is another one that is not on my invoice. Fairy Dust. And it looks like it has, and it's in ginger wine. It looks like it has little thingies in there, like little bath bomb pieces. I don't know if they're shaped or they're just chunks. Do you see the blue right there? That's what I'm talking about. That little chunk right there. They're hard, because there's a couple of them in here I can feel. It is ginger lime. I'm trying to see now. There's another one right there. See the blue? One of these slap balloons. I do love shampoo bars, but I didn't order it, so thank you. They are so, these things, let me tell you, they are so convenient, and shampoo bars tend to be easier on color, for me anyway, than the shampoo in bottles that I get at the store. And finally, the piece de resistance, as I always like to say. So a couple of months ago, I said to myself, if you ever find a body spray in Rose Jam, get it. Because when I bathe in Rose Jam from Lush and I use their body wash, I come out of there smelling amazing. But it doesn't stay long. So I looked on her site and it was like, what? Rose Jam body spray? Go ahead and get it. So let me see what I did with these. I can tell you guys the pricing of these things. So the Rose Jam body spray was $6. I have no idea about that because it was a gift. Shower steamers were $9. We had the Harmony Bath Bomb, which was this one, of which she sent two, and I ordered one, and that one is $4.50 for one. The Rose Jammy scent shot cup. These were $1.50 piece. Another item, I have no idea how much it was because she's amazing. This one here, I have no idea how much it was because they are amazing. Is that it? Oh yeah, and then the last item that they also added in here. Guys, seriously, come on, look at that. Beautiful. Rose jam in the larger size. So I want to thank you as always for all of your amazing products. And that's it for Sin City Soaps. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.